Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, Life with the Vargas family. Today we're at the skate park with Major's new electric dirt bike. Yeah. There you go. There you go. That was a lot better.
And it again.
Okay. It's really dead. So we fully charged it, and I would say we got here like maybe an hour and 30 minutes ago, and it's pretty much dead now. So I'll say fully charged. Him using it nonstop lasts, I'll just say an hour, which isn't that great, but he's having fun on it, so it doesn't matter. See, he wants to do another skirt real quick. He's having fun. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. What you gotta tell them?
Hit the subscribe and hit that bell.
What do you think of your dirt bike?
Good.
You like it? You need to start practicing some jumps, huh? Alright, end it.